going under. Oh.
J3S Johnny here, and today Cameron, get out of my video. So we are doing a car review. So me and Georgie bought these just for the video. Cameron didn't buy it because he's poor.
Say hi to my car.
It's not your car. So this is our car. So
this is my one. I went for the white and black, and then with the BMW crew.
I can't do it yet. Oh yeah, don't mind this. Don't mind that. Just crashed it before. So yeah, we're gonna go and take some photos with it. Come. Oh no. Cameron, you can add your car if you want.
I'll come.
Meet us there.
Where are we going?
Georgie.
Come on, get in.
I'm trying to get in. Let me in. Oh, I like your car.
Look at the interior.
That's nice.
Let's take some pictures. Oh yeah, guys, and look, we're in our own session. I don't know who this guy is though, but yeah. I'll soon, in 100 subs, I'll show you how to get in your own session. Cameron showed me. I'm going to sub to C3S Cameron.
No, I will show everyone.
No, I will.
No, thank you. Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
Yo.
What, I got police on me? Cameron, don't!
I'm just sitting in it.
Alright.
Come get out of the car.
You can't see me anyway.
Get out the car. I opened
What
the
do
door.
you need exactly?
I'm taking pictures.
So you don't want to get in serious trouble, huh?
I'm just hiding in the
Okay, leave it with me.
Oh, why are you moving my car?
Wait, get my car in the background.
Wait, Cameron, go back a bit. Go back.
Can
Okay.
you try and get me in the photo?
I'm trying.
Wait.
I did it. Dude, wait. Okay, wait. Take this car off camera. Wait. Wait.
Don't go backwards. Go forward.
Yeah, Georgie. Put your car on there. I'm gonna take a picture. Just like to show my video.
I like this car. I'm actually gonna buy this car.
No. Okay. Let's show it this way. Stand next to it. So like, yeah. You ready?
The door's just right. Not right there.
Yep, took that picture. How does that look? Good. Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna. Yeah, guys, we did that. Oh yeah, guys, if you like my outfit, I'll show you how to do it. It's just I'm gonna upload this off tomorrow. How to do that? Oh, guys, Cameron got lagged out with the session. I don't know why. But yeah, guys, this has been all for today. Oh, and other people joined. Okay then, this has been all for today. I hope you like the car review. We'll do more when we get more money.
Oh, you left.
Always keep
No, you left. So, yeah, like, subscribe, and peace.
I like doing that.